Good day, everyone. This is Jeff with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today I've got the pleasure of taking you through a brand new 2024 Sea Ray SLX 310. As we start in the aft of the boat, the swim platform, another nice large swim platform. This has got the dune sea deck, dune interior, beautiful boat. Staying with the swim platform, it's got a retractable swim platform underneath here, all activated by a switch over here. Coming into the boat, you've got a dual purpose lounger with storage underneath here. You can sit here and watch kids swim off the back of the boat as well, or have a full-size lounger. Cup holders, stereo controls over here, battery switches, easily accessible as you're coming into the boat. Storage underneath here. Dockside step in and out of the docks. It's a little bit too low for you. Again, another beautiful finish by Sea Ray. It's a great looking boat. Swivel lounger here in the co-pilot seat. Nice dual lounger with storage all up underneath here. Retractable sunshade comes over the back of the boat. Cockpit lounger. It's another great cooler, storage, fresh water, refrigerator. Coming to the helm of the boat. Access joystick control, dual throttle sticks, auto trim tabs, dual Simrad screens, just loaded up. Fusion audio control, retractable moonroof, absolutely cool. Come to the bow of the boat, nice large bow seating, stainless steel windlass anchor with controls up here and freshwater hookups. Another fantastic product by Sea Ray. If you're interested in this or any other products we have here at MarineMax, 573-365-5382. My name is Jeff. Have a great day.